worked with Ashton Florida. He was part of CIC. He had worked with her.
Right.
So he came to like the voice and like, like
That's a compliment.
yeah,
Right?
it was so
A big boost of
but I was
well, darling, you're still rocking it. And I think also as a creative professional, you need that solitude to kind of recharge your creative energies, right?
that
Because
is there.
you are so consumed, right? Because you're giving your soul out.
Right.
Yeah.
There was a time in Diwali I was so fed up because लोग दिवाली पे like it's a festival.
Yeah.
You
Celebrate.
and मैं घर पे अकेले I have so many New Year's अकेले मैं घर पे हूँ दिवाली में अकेले घर पर हूँ because I didn't have money to step out.
हाँ.
और मैं जाऊंगी तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Because I'm not internally happy. So I have broken the temple also. मैंने ये उठाया.
Whoa, really? You did that?
Literally. Where are you?
That needs guts, babe.
Where are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because why am I suffering so much? What have I done so wrong? And if you are there, आप बोलते भगवान है तो कहाँ है? Why the evil is winning all the time? So I have gone through that phase also. But then you just get into it. You know, it's like organic way of just going into it without thinking that you have to do this.
It's also a way of breaking the shackles in a way, right? I mean,
I'm not saying breaking of shackle is, I would say, जो चीजें pre-ordained होती है ना अपने टाइम पे वो अपने आप शुरू हो जाती है without you even thinking about that.
Yeah, true that.
So it happened organically, and now I don't leave the house without I do puja and all that stuff.
Beautiful.
So puja is something that I feel I have to. That is my one-on-one communication. So 24 hours I'm doing that. But at one time is an extra push,
charging. Yeah, in the morning.
Look here, I'm talking to you. You know what I want?
Yeah.
I'm still telling you. So just do it. So
yeah.
Also the first thing is thank you for giving me, keeping me safe, keeping me alive, and taking care of my all problems. Sending me people because you can't be there, but you send people through them. You come to me to help me in those different stages where I needed money. The banks will not give me loan because आप तो actor है, सिविल अच्छा है तो क्या हुआ? पर आपका ये खराब है, वो खराब है, बनाना आपका घर नहीं है अपना. There's so many technical stuff which hinders you growth. But then somebody else comes up and helps you out to grow. So I'm grateful and thankful to so many people who stood by me and helped me.
Absolutely. I think gratitude is extremely important.
Because that was अगर वो किसी को भी साथ मिलना चाहिए. Everybody goes around and goes ultra lows. Somebody has to stand. So that phase was also there, but today.
So did you feel like you were living like a 2.0 version of yourself once you started the journey? I'm sure there was a transformation that happened energetically. Like your choices changed.
My choices just changed in one way that I'm not meeting people who don't matter to me. I'm not stepping out. I was happy in my own zone, in my own company. I watch films alone. I go dine alone. And I like my solo trips more. But I go out with friends also, those who are.
Of course.
I make the whole world is my acquaintance.
Friends are far.
Friends here. It's like, So that kind of a thing. So I'm all right with that. Plus Tarot happened, then COVID happened. So COVID
another blessing in disguise.
The best period. No doorbell, ding dong, ding dong. You can be the house.
I swear.
So सुबह उठ के I used to be the काम वाली बाई घर पे झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन करना खाना बनाना उसके बाद में तैयार होके बैठ के शाम को online interviews देना all that stuff.
Right.
So that's how the only evolves that happened and during COVID time was that I said, how do I reach out people in this pandemic? So I said, some tarot videos. So I was doing for a number of years, but it was not out. So suddenly people thought, oh, have you started doing tarot? I said, no, I'm bringing it to you now. The language, exposing it more. Because earlier I used to do, but as this energy period, I don't want to invite much, and I'm more into acting that time. I'll be acting Mohini, so do tarot and help and heal people.
Yeah.
So
That's the best thing to do, and it was so much needed.
Absolutely.
So right now you do like you're a tarot card reader, you're also a Reiki, right? So, I mean, how can people get in touch if they want to? Do you have some criteria so that we can link it below?
Well, the only way they can reach me if they genuinely want it, either through friends, those who know I do it, or through email. But other they just want to meet me, then they have to go to Instagram and to my app. If you want to talk to me, pay for it.
Oh, you have an app?
Just for my fans.
Okay.
Because you need to spend money to value your time, your money. So you
and my
respect
time.
my time. Because there have been instances on Instagram where people used to send their body, their organ pictures to me. I thought one time I should put a collage of it.
That's a brilliant idea. Why not? That would be a viral one. Believe me.
Which one is So I was very flummoxed with all that.
Yeah,
Because it's
jarring, very jarring.
Very, very, very. So I said, what gives them the guts to, put it out over there? And I said, no, and the only one-on-one through that was to have an app and then just make them come and talk to you there. And
Exclusive.
and then my image for Savita Bhabi from Hunter film was like that.
Oh yeah.
So they just they have
People mix the real and the real.
Yeah. So I said, okay, you're an actor, you have free to dance like whatever they want to. So it could be very jarring to people, especially from where I come from. Hey, what are you doing? What is this? Why this and this? So it is something like the body is yours.
Yeah.
You act from this body.
Yeah.
So if you're doing this body is the only way to earn money.
Yeah.
Whether you speak, whether you're as a voice artist, dubbing gives you money, or your brain is working, giving you money. Same way the whole body is giving you money.
Yeah.
So it's a way of earning money that has been given to you.
Yeah. Tangible to us.
Exactly. Because this is body is the only place you live.
Absolutely.
House comes later. It's a body we live.
I mean, I love that you said it's a temple.
Yeah. So if you are here, this has to work for you.
Yeah.
You only know how to use it.
Sure.
So there's nothing wrong about it. There's nothing right about it. It's your thinking process which is wrong and right.
Absolutely. So, I mean, what's the app called? Just for our viewers, if they want.
It's nothing like it's some join my app.
Okay.
So that's all the links are always on the thing. That is for tarot also. Because for me, see, honestly speaking, even if they want to do tarot from me, but I can sense them. It's a sixth sense so strong that even if they're sending me email, ma'am, I want this, and I know he's wasting my time.
Yeah, you get that sense.
I said,
I can relate.
Want any tarot?
Yeah.
You just want one-on-one, and then you ask
your intentions.
Yeah, and then, ma'am, can we have offline? Sorry,
the big no.
मिलने के लिए पैसा भरोगे तो मिलो. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है मिलने के लिए. बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. Some people can say, oh my God, to meet also you want to charge money. Yes, it's my time, na.
Of course.
Why do I give you my time for what?
Doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
But
I don't know.
That's a wise thing.
Yeah. So whether a person feels कि हम लोग का जो mindset है ना, it's like free में बहुत चीजें. If you go abroad, there's no freebie.
Yeah.
There, everything is respect. जैसे हमारे यहाँ कोई प्लम्बर आता है तो बोले अरे यार प्लम्बर आया ना अरे इसको 100 रुपए देते काम हो जाएगा. If you see their plumber and their carpenters come to travel and have a vacation and
yeah. Oh my God, it's a proper profession.
Because it's the labor which is respected.
Yeah. I think respect is the biggest.
Which is most important. It's not a menial job. It's a work that can stop your life.
I think that's something we all have to learn.
Exactly.
That they don't look down upon.
Absolutely. So you need to learn to respect the labor.
I mean, it's like they say, we're all notes of music and this entire universe in the symphony. Every note is as important as the other.
Absolutely.
Right. So I think that's what needs to sink into us.
People need to learn that.
So now that we've spoken about your struggles, let's come to the brighter side.
Please.
So, I mean, I feel that you've been blessed with projects and didn't have to really struggle much. Is that true, or how has it been?
Okay, coming back to the same thing. Yeah. So, when I was sick and ill with all the stuff that we just spoke about, I was like, I didn't have the energy to do any soaps. So, I used to tell the universe, "Maan, aisa karo, kuch ek din ka kaam, kuch 2 din ka kaam." Utna hi nahi kar sakti. Utni energy humne de rakhi hai mujhe. I can only do that.
Yeah.
So just give me that. So it happened that I got a couple of ads during the 2 different years of IPL. That was one with the Flipkart and one was with some other big thing that time happening. So that happened. So again, people are watching IPL and the ad used to come and all that stuff. So once I actually went for the IPL final in Bangalore, which was RCB versus Hyderabad. And I did the charo. I said, "Oh, sorry, RCB will lose." And I'm in RCB den, sitting, and they're rooting for RCB. And I said,
Oh no, what's happening?
I mean, my life is intertwined.
Yeah.
Charo, cricket, everything. So it goes like that. So, I lost the thought. Where were we?
No, I mean the projects.
Yeah,
I mean, if you were to list down like top 3 projects in your career.
Exactly. So everything is top notch for me because when I wanted something, like began with amazing serial, which thanks to COVID were rerun because they didn't have new projects. So they were rerun the nation on this rerun on ZTV. Then I began my journey with Hollywood film, which was a great which was again not released in India, but that was called Backwater, and it was then later called Betrayed by Passion. So that was a film that happened to do Pastry, that was again big, and it was nothing like, I was called, ki audition do ye karo. I mean, I was partying, and Madhur as a director, he do study, his homework is that if he's making a pastry, he has to go to all the parties. So we used to bump into the parties. And then my circle was all the doctor, restaurant, fashion and all. And I said, kya yaar, sare mere dost ek walking road de dekha make liye. So he just said, acha ek role hai aise aana. तो मैं
बस आ जा.
हॉलीवुड फिल्म का शूटिंग करके एलएफपी से लौट कर आई थी सुबह, एंड ही कॉल्ड अप कि रात को शूटिंग है. मैंने कहा चलेगा. तो हम चले गए. तो हंसते खेलते हो गया. And then when I was working in Dubai, I so wanted to do something with Pakistani. And I really thought, please, I want to work with Pakistani actors. And your wish is granted, baby. And I said, ooh, okay.
You have some direct connection. I'm sending you my list now.
So, now whatever I'm praying happens, then you send me your list. So, I went to Dubai. And I worked with them for 1 year, and then I came back. So Deepak Tijori was a friend. I did his film. He said, "नहीं तुझे ही करना है, मुझे नहीं करना है. तुझे ही करना है, मुझे नहीं करना है. क्या है दोस्तों के चक्कर में?" So all the work happens like that too.
Okay.
Until now, the second phase which happened that I auditioned
post-pandemic.
Yeah, post-pandemic and all. So the work that came my way, suddenly as if you're not there, but you're living in some people's diary, notebook, numbers and all. So iske liye isko bula lete. I think she's fit for it. So bula liya. Ab koi aapke saamne se bola, I'm calling the Mukesh Chabra's company. Yes. And you're locked.
You're locked already without your consent.
Yeah. I said, okay. So that means there's nothing to do.
You have given me no choice.
No, but there's nothing to do. The part has nothing to offer me. It has no substance for me. The people who go to rigorous number of auditions, and suddenly you call, आपने ये बोला था, आप blocked हो गए, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए. And that was the only thing. So I read, because thanks to success being given to me, I know how it's going to be. So I said, चलो ठीक है, मतलब मुझे नहीं करना है ना कि छेड़ पड़े यार। जाओ बेटा पिकनिक करो, खाओ पियो, एक लाइन तो बोलनी है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
I
तो
know.
मतलब डायलॉग डिलीवरी की वॉमिटिंग होती थी, तुम्हारे पन्नों पे पन्ने मारते थे, अब तुमको एक लाइन देके बोलते हैं आप एक्ट्रेस हैं, तो लेकिन ठीक है मैं। तो I took it,
You're convincing yourself.
I took a bucket full of salt,
Bucket, huh?
bucket,
Oh,
and I
wow.
was present on the shoot. Maybe somewhere in me the thinking, probably now you will know who am I.
Ah,
You shortchanged,
yeah, yeah.
you know?
I have the power to say no.
Yeah, but you shortchanged me. But I still go say hello, hi to everybody. Hi, I'm here myself. Could do better job.
I know.
So that happened. And,
Okay.
because वो phone भी नहीं करते, because you work with the actors over there who walk up to you and say,
Yeah.
"Yeah, Hansa, what are you doing with character?" And I'm lost.
Yeah,
What do I tell? I'm just like one of the extras here. Sorry, dude.
yeah.
It's so diminishing
Yeah.
your own thing. Your
Yeah.
self-respect goes for
It's demoting your own image in your own eyes, actually.
It was not easy, but I still took it. I said, कितना भी कड़वा घूट होगा मैं पी लूंगी. You have to go through that penance journey.
Sure, sure.
So yes, I did that, and thereafter, then now the things which are coming. So like Criminal Justice happened. I mean, so that was again
That's huge.
That's huge. But I knew the series good. But I was supposed to be part of the second season, and I auditioned for 4 things, and then when nothing worked out, and I said, I'm going to watch it, right? And I watched it. I had the last laugh. Ooh. I said, you guys don't know what you cast me. तुमको पता ही नहीं है तुम क्या परसेप्शन है कि सोचते हो मेरे बारे में, प्लीज मुझसे बात
I
करो,
know.
मुझे समझो ना
हाँ,
पहले।
look beyond me.
I tell them, don't see my pictures, talk to me.
Exactly.
When you talk to me, because earlier the directors used to talk to you.
That's the major difference. Yeah.
अभी आपने कहा ये कैरेक्टर है, ये डायलॉग्स है, ये बोलना है, करना है, तो वो हो गया। आपने उसी कैरेक्टर को देखा, you didn't have that depth.
आपने जाना ही नहीं पर्सन को,
और थैंक्स टू कोविड इट वाज सेल्फ टेस्ट नाउ, तो आपके पास वो पूरा आयाम ही नहीं है। आप खुद ही डायरेक्ट रिमेम्बर करके उसने ये बोला, इसने ये बोला, इसने ये बोला, आपने बनाया। Where is acting in that?
Yeah.
What are you delivering?
Yeah. It's very mechanical.
Very sad, mechanical भी नहीं है यार, too
sad.
So anyway, so that happened. Then during that time when I was sick and ill, when I said कि थोड़ा थोड़ा काम दे देना भगवान, तो हंटर आ गई, तो मुझे बोला आप आइए, आपको सेलेक्ट कर दिया गया। तो मुझे कैसे सेलेक्ट कर लिया? किसके लिए सेलेक्ट कर लिया? It's a sex comedy. No sex comedy भाई नहीं। Taboo, no way.
Taboos.
Yeah.
Whatever.
No, आप शायद डायरेक्टर से बात कर लो। मैंने कहा अच्छा करवाओ डायरेक्टर से। डायरेक्टर से बात से पूरी स्टोरी सुनाई। मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैंने कहा no smooching, no kissing, no love making, no shedding clothes, nothing. या कुछ भी नहीं है ना। अरे वाह, ऐसी ना। मैंने कहा अच्छी बात है।
अनोखी।
या कहते let's have a meeting। मैंने कहा हाँ चले मीटिंग कर ले। हम मीटिंग करने के लिए गए। हम सासा के लिए जा रहे थे रास्ते में। रास्ते में कर हम सासा के कपड़े पहन के गए थे, टांगे दिख रही थी। हमने क्या कोई नहीं, हमने बातें कर ली। कहते but the only thing is that there's nothing, all your demands are met. I said very nice. Your name is Savita and it will be Savita Bhavika. Sorry, don't you say that? No. You finished my career.
On the house, guys.
Oh God, I was like disaster. And that time Savita Bhavi was the Savita Bhavi.
I know. भाभी जी कर
क्या हो गया? अभी मैं क्या करूँ? और मुझे काम भी चाहिए. I want to challenge myself also as an actor.
Yeah, that's a conflict. Yeah.
Oh my God, huge conflict. I was there. I didn't know what to do. और ऐसे चला हाँ तो कर भी देखा जाए.
हाँ.
चल ये भी करके देख ले.
हाँ ये भी छोड़ दो यूनिवर्सिटी.
I know one thing Gulshan है, and I know it's a very good actor. चलो गुलशन के साथ काम करें। अब जब वो हो गया, फिर जब वो मार्केटिंग और जब आते हैं प्रोडक्शन, you know, let's people who come on the board marketing the film and your activities for promotions begin. Yeah. They said you made an adult film. Why don't you have incorporated some love making scenes into it? So my director says, okay, no, ऐसा ऐसा है, तो एक सीन करना पड़ेगा। पर तब तक you know that your director sensibility, your good
हाँ मतलब you have the trust. Yeah.
तो मैं कहा हाँ ठीक है. तो I was telling myself also as an actor कि यार let me try
something uncomfortable.
Yeah. So yeah, that happened. अब जब लोग देखते हैं तो उनको लगता है वाह और वाह और वाह. हमसे पूछो हम पे क्या गुजरती जब हम सीन करते हैं.
I know it's so technical. Right?
Technical है and it's butterflies and it's like यार दारू पिला दो कोई थोड़ा सा नीचे करने के लिए तो हम डायरेक्ट शट वी कैन डू इट. We'll do it.
Oh God.
So it's mechanical पर धुएं उठते हैं यार. Because the lingo, the language becomes everything different.
I mean, you're feeling the energy of the person.
Suddenly, you are the third person. तीन लोग बात कर रहे हैं.
Watching yourself.
Actor, director, और तुम सुन रहे हो, तुम्हारे धुएं उठ रहे हैं. Then you say, Hansa, own yourself. Then you jump in. अच्छा ठीक है. ये ऐसे से करना है ना. मुझे पता है कैसे करना है. मैं ऐसे खड़ी होगी, ऐसे होगा. Now all the way. See, okay, let's go. 3 घंटे में 3 एंगल्स लिए, done, dusted and over. उसके बाद मुझे नहीं मालूम था इतने accolades मिलेंगे. इतने एक्वलाइज देंगे ऐसे मैंने पता नहीं लोगों की जिंदगियां तबाह कर दी.
ट्रेनिंग कर दिया.
अच्छी बात है. मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या किया कि मैं आज तक उस मॉन्स्टर को फेस कर रही हूँ. So I don't know हंटर के लिए should I be happy or should I cry?
Yeah, it's always the two sides.
I keep telling my director you created a monster. तो उन्होंने मेरी लाइफ झंड कर दी है उसके बाद. Literally he said come on nice one. या तो पूरा बर्बाद कर दो. ये तो तुमने बीच में डला के रखा है. मैं इधर हूँ ना मैं इधर हूँ. मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं मैं कहाँ पर हूँ.
Which year was this?
2015.
Okay. And you got some offers after that? Like, what was the after effect?
No, what happened? पहली बार जिंदगी में ऐसा हुआ कि PR agencies were whining. You should do your PR. You should not leave this thing. You should do it. ये हो क्या है यार मेरे साथ
अंडर करने के बाद ये
अंडर चला दिया मैंने कि सब मेरे पीछे बड़े नंबर मांग के आ रहे हैं. But they were riding on something की सविता
the character.
Yeah. अच्छा नया फोटो शूट करा और मेरे आंटी में पैसे नहीं बहुत सा फोटो शूट. शक्ल बर्बाद हो रखी है, बॉडी बर्बाद हो रखी है. I put on weight because of all that stuff that happened. So I want to get things done, but they don't have that view and my
sensitivity. Yeah.
So I said, no, I don't need it because you want to write a Savita babe. Hansa तो पीछे है, मुझे नहीं करना. So again, a glow happened, but I had to bring it down.
Break it.
Because of my own hustle that I was going through.
Yeah.
So I quite मेरी जिंदगी में, but you know the way my life was going on, I was just taken as a thing that happened and I went down.
Yeah.
And to my luck.
Yeah.
In the YouTube, wherever you see that particular scene is there because it was chopped from the scene. मैंने सारा मेहनत भी किया और scene भी हट गया. What nonsense, Nilani, not done. So you know, as an actor, you feel cheated.
Yeah.
The producer said, sorry, you know, all that stuff. But as an actor, I think because I went out of the comfort.
Yeah. Your creative energy is up.
Yeah. Then suddenly it boom. But thanks to the pirated version. Everywhere in the world, people saw it. And I got calls. The calls began to meow. And I said, okay.
Booty calls.
And then there was, God, what breathing you do. And where the breathing? Because in action film, the time you breathe. The one that okay, come inside, just like that. Or where do you do the breathing comes in? So you just did the version. And that was the actual film that then got out.
Oh my God. Thanks to YouTube. I mean, even today, I think you're still wondering about it.
I'm still wondering. But as we say, as an actor, जब आपके हाथ से कोई आपका कोहिनूर छीन लेता है, वो उस वक्त मेरा कोहिनूर. So I was like, Shomik Sande, the director, he said, hey, वो scene आ गया है YouTube पे. मतलब लिंक भेजो.
हम भी भेजो.
मैंने वो scene करने के बाद देखा नहीं. मेरा देखना चाहती थी. I've done and it's over. So वो scene का लिंक आया तब मैंने देखा और मैंने विद अपलॉन्ग सबको भेजा. देखो मेरा
फैमिली को भी.
फैमिली को बोला हंटर पिक्चर आ रही है मत देखना.
बिल्कुल बैन है.
मत देखना. जब वो सीन हट गया Daddy को बस इतना मत देख लेना. जब टीवी पे आई, Daddy was watching the film and he was laughing. मैंने कहा, oh, okay, चलो good है, सबने देखी.
हाँ.
So it happened. You're both sides. As a child, you have a different energy to sustain, survive, not to hurt anybody. But as an individual, as an actor who has no limits, and she's challenging her own virtue of being in this world, so contradicting and so suffocating,
Yeah.
and so breaking you down at
Yeah.
the that moment. It just,
I know.
Oh.
I can totally imagine.
it's not easy.
Yeah. But I think you have the power to choose now, right? I mean, I think you've entered a space where you can say no to things, and
Well,
You
I'm
can
still.
choose.
I always wanted to be in a zone which Tabu, Priyanka, Sushmita, that zone and that genre. So now, like Criminal Justice happened to me, where there was only 2 scenes, but at least you know that she is a performer.
yeah, yeah,
That happened.
your character had
Yeah,
that.
because in the last 10 years' time, what people saw me was a very different person.
Yeah,
So they have taken the millennials, Zen, and
Gen Z.
Gen Z, whatever the breed is, they've seen that way. Okay, on the brighter side, I have my fans from 18 to 60, which is a good thing.
Yeah,
But on the work side, they must be there. I have people hitting me from all ages,
yeah.
all sections,
You have all the
all the
choices,
society,
babe.
yeah, of all the society, and it drains me.
Oh, it's very
And,
draining.
but yet I'm thankful and
Yeah.
thanking them with loads of gratitude, because if I don't see my body as the way they see it, because I'm a huge critique of my body. So because I want to see my body in a certain way that it was, which is not now because all those things happened. And so I still have huge respect to my fans and thank them for whichever way they come to me. They come lustfully, but they're coming to me.
Yeah,
for something.
at least the attention, I mean, they're giving that mind space
Yes,
to you. which
yes.
counts.
So that's the reason the app had come into the mind, just because, hey, respect it also. No?
Some connect point.
Yeah.
That's
You guys-
amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So if you have to respect yourself, first you respect yourself, so that people start respecting.
This has been so good, Hansa. Thank you so much for sharing this journey with us. Guys, I think